Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo, and on today's video I will be showing you guys how to start trading on Quotex. So Quotex is just like Olimtrade. There is not so much difference on how it works, how Olimtrade works, how expert option works, pocket option, or any other fixed time trading platform that you know. In case you don't have an account in Quotex, go ahead and click the link on the description of this video and register. The registration process takes less than 30 seconds and you will have an account in Quotex. Once you've registered, log into your Quotex account and click on the deposit button to make your deposit. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll use Perfect Money. There is some money that I have in Perfect Money that I want to transfer to this account and later on withdraw to M-Pesa after I've traded and made profits. So click on the deposit button, choose the amount you want to deposit. If you have a bonus code, go ahead and enter it by toggling this button here. Then click on the deposit button to proceed with the deposit process. You will be redirected to the Perfect Money website and you will be shown some details about the broker that you want to deposit to. Is it verified? You will see that on this page. You will also see the amount you want to deposit and your Perfect Money account. Once you click on the make payment button, you'll be redirected to the login page. Go ahead and log into your account and click on preview payment to see your payment details. On the Perfect Money preview payment page, you will see all the details of the transaction that you are about to make, and if you are contented with everything, you can just click on confirm payment and your money will reflect on Perfect Money instantly. Now that the registration process is out of the way and we've already made our deposit, I'll go ahead and start trading with Quotex. So I'll place 3 different trades, each going up on the USD CHF, on the USD CAD, and on the Euro CHF. So when you click on the up button, you're predicting that the price of each of these assets will continue to grow in price, and at expiry, if that prediction is right, you make your profit. Conversely, when you click on the down button, you are predicting that the price of that asset will fall in price, and at expiry, you will make your profits if the prediction is correct. So because I placed these trades on 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes duration, I'll go ahead and speed the chart so that we can get the results faster. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure you click on that thumbs up button so that we can promote this video. So in case you are asking the strategy that I used and the parameters that I set for this trade to work in my favor, so I've used the RSI indicator. I've not changed anything. I'm using the default settings that we have for the RSI. I also have the SMA 50 on the chart, and I'm also using price action to get better entries into the market. For example, if you look at the screen at the moment, the candlestick pattern formation at the bottom is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, which signifies an uptrend. And if you look at the RSI, it's going to the top. Ideally, if we had the 50 level in the middle, we'd see the RSI above the 50 level, which indicates that the trend is stronger upwards and we can trade upwards with that. So if you want to learn this and more, we have a Telegram channel that is currently very active, and we give signals daily, 5 signals per day, up to 99% winning rate. So make it a date. Go ahead and check it on the description of this video. If you haven't liked the video, go ahead and click on that thumbs up button. And just like that, we've won our first trade. We are waiting for the second and the third. They have all gone into profits, and we have grown from $40 to $71 in about 20 minutes. And of course, the last thing that every trader wants to see is that after working so hard and winning trades, they are not able to withdraw their money. So let's try and test Quotex to see if we can withdraw our winnings from the platform and how long it takes. So we'll go ahead and click on the withdrawal button. You can withdraw with any of the payment methods that you've ever used in the past to deposit into Quotex. So myself, I've used M-Pesa in the past, and today we have also used Perfect Money. But for today, I'll go with M-Pesa. So we'll withdraw $50 to my M-Pesa number. So the withdrawal is successful. Let's wait and see if that withdrawal will be effected immediately or if it will take some time. So if you look at the account balance, the amount has already been deducted. We are less by $50 and I've not yet received that money in my M-Pesa. It still says pending, that the payment will be processed within 24 hours. So let's wait for 24 hours and I'll come back with more updates about what went on.